This is unit number 2, video number 1 on the nuclear atom and isotopes. When we talk about the atom, we've shown that the atom contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. They make up the mass of the atom. Electrons balance out charge, very, very, very low mass, so usually we can ignore their mass when we're looking at relative masses. We talk about an atom that contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. We're going to represent the atoms with a chemical symbol. I put an X here, but you know Na for sodium, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen, B for boron, on and on. All the element symbols on the periodic table. We're going to put the mass number up here. We represent the mass number with a capital A. Mass number is the number of protons plus the neutrons. Down here, we're going to have the atomic number, okay? The atomic number we use capital Z to represent, and it's the number of protons. So it's the number of protons found in the nucleus. Up here, we're going to have the charge. This could be positive or negative, and we're going to have the difference between the protons and electrons. If there's more electrons, we have a negative charge. If there's more protons, we have a positive charge. And then down here, we're going to have the number of atoms. So you've seen this all through Cl2, things like that. Now, everything we do initially, we're going to do one atom. So if we have an element, let's say chlorine, which has a mass number of 37. Now, isotopes are different atoms of the same element that have different mass numbers. That means they vary the neutrons, because to be chlorine is to have a set number of protons, right? 17 protons. So to be chlorine is to have 17 protons. So chlorine 37, even if it doesn't have the atomic number down there, we know that chlorine has 17 protons. If it has 17 protons and the mass number is 37, then the protons plus neutrons equals 37. Therefore, obviously, the neutrons equals 20. So we have 20 neutrons. There's no charge listed. If there's no charge, we don't put plus or minus 0, we just leave it blank. So that means the number of protons exactly equal the number of electrons. We have 17 protons, we have 17 electrons.